Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, we are going to show you how to use Monkey App, the full Monkey App tutorial. Now, what is Monkey App? Monkey App lets you randomly video chat with strangers. So it is one of the successors of Omegle because Omegle is gone. So Monkey App lets you live random video chat platform and provides you with lightning fast and unpredictable random video chats, offering users the excitement of instant connections and engaging interactions with new people. Monkey App's alternative to Omegle and TV. But like what I said, Omegle is gone. So it brings the thrill of random video chat, enabling you to meet new people from around the world in real time. It serves as an excellent source of content, especially for those who want excitement or just want to create some random funny videos on YouTube. So how do you download Monkey App? Of course, you need to go to the Play Store or App Store if you are using an iPhone. Tap on search and just search for Monkey. It's going to be the second option here, or the first non-sponsored option. This icon here with the purple background and a monkey emoji. Just tap install, and it's going to be installed just like any other any other app. It's very straightforward. So once you're here, it's going to ask for your profile. It's going to ask for your name, your birthday, and your gender. So leave the name as is. As you can see, I've blurred it out and just choose whatever birth date, and then just tap sure. And here you could choose girl or guy. So type guy, and as you can see, a pop will appear. You can change your gender, KK, and then tap next. And here now is pretty much the Monkey App interface. So as you can see here, if you tap on this upper left corner, it says recent connects. You haven't chatted with anyone yet, so you could see pretty much your video chat history here. Monkey Plus, on the other hand, is the paid option: unlimited gender filter, chat with your preferred gender, unlimited region filter, chat with your preferred region. So pretty much just streamlining and specifically targeting specific stuff, right? Unlimited free matches, unlimited daily matching, see who likes you, so you can see who liked chatting with you, and so on and so forth. 5 super likes a day, and again, save 50% for 30 days, 7 days. So there are 2 options here. It says your recurring billing, cancel anytime. By tapping continue, your payment will be charged to your Google Pay account. So that's Get Monkey Plus. More options. So if it says here 2P mode, chat in pairs, or as you can see, allow Monkey to find, connect to, and determine the relative position of your nearby devices. Just don't allow that. And as you can see here, my 2P squad, me plus whoever your buddy is. And by the way, you can add friends too with Monkey Chat, and you can ask for global. So you can ask for again, for Monkey Plus, you can ask for girl or guy that you want to meet. There are options here. Again, these are all paywall behind Monkey Plus. As you can see, you have options for global. That's the free one. So this is pretty much RNG. But if you get Monkey Plus, you can specifically get Europe, Latin America, North America, Southeast Asia, Middle East, and North Africa. So after that, if you tap this one, this is swipe right to like, swipe left to dislike. So pretty much got it. So this is pretty much swipe up for to view more. So this is pretty much just kind of like that other app, that dating app, right? Tinder. There we go. So you get 21 exclusively recommended cards. It has a Tinder profile, as you can see. We could swipe left, swipe right, right. So we could do that, right? There you go. So that is the Tinderesque feature of Monkey App. Now you can also find new friends here. So discover, right, likes, Monkey King. So this is pretty much your messaging. So once you've added a friend, you can message each other in this section. So as you can see, Monkey King has, you know, this is the Monkey app's like main thing. As you can see, 1,800 followers, United States, so on and so forth. And you can see their profile here. And then this, on the other hand, on the lower right, is going to be your profile. So as you can see, my profile is blurred because I don't want you to see my name. That says our location, our horoscope, our coins. It's like in-game currency, whatnot. And if you want to, if you want to edit your profile, just tap edit, of course. And here you can just change your name, change your birthday, change your horoscope, change your location, preferred music, your mood, and then your about section, of course, hobby, status, secret, spirit, animal, so on and so forth. And then you could also click preview. After that, you can just tap done, and you're good to go. So after that, what you need to know next is the settings, which is on the upper right corner of the screen, like so. So in the settings, there are certain things you can do. You can invite friends, follow Monkey Snapchat, follow Monkey Instagram. So they have a Snapchat and an Instagram account. Restore purchases. So no restores. There are no purchases to restore. Link your Facebook block list. So these are the people you want to block. Online status. If you want to hide your online status, you're not going to show up to your friends as you're online. So keep on. Hands-free mode. You can also rate them. This is where you get to, if you have any issues, just tap on support and you're going to be brought to their contact Monkey King. I mean Monkey app, not Monkey King. So this is pretty much an AI thing where you can just type in your issue. Say you're having issues with certain features of the Monkey app, which is pretty cool. No need to like go to an external server or external website and have yourself be overwhelmed by numerous articles on how to fix it yourself. At least here, you could just choose a specific general issue and then just go from there. So after that, you can also sign out, and this is about Monkey King. So as you can see here, the terms of service are here. Let's go back. The privacy policy, right? You can just go back. Safety center, community guidelines, and delete account. You can delete your account if you don't want to use it anymore, so that you're not sent any email or any messages with the email that you've used, right? So how do you use Monkey King? I mean Monkey app. I keep on saying Monkey King. I'm so sorry. Go back to home, which is this, and just tap on this. As you can see, there are over 56,000 chatting. Tap to start the video chatting like that, right? Free, right? Tap global. As you can see here, you're already chatting with somebody, but there you go. I think this guy's trying other things, so swipe up for next match. And as you can see, sometimes there can be issues with connections. Let's swipe up. So that is pretty much how you do this, right? So that's how you video chat. And as you can see, it's mostly guys at the moment because I think this is a fairly new app. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.